Example, find the equation of a circle passing through the point 4 comma 5 with center 2 comma 2. Now I have drawn a circle here. Now basically what it is, this is the coordinates for the center, and let this point be P, it is 4 comma 5. Okay. Now let coordinate of center 2 comma 2 and a moving point P 4 comma 5. P can be, it will be a moving point because I have just written here P 4 comma 5. Now using distance formula, R is what? Radius of a circle. R is OP, and this becomes, now we are having points 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. So this is equal to 2 square plus 3 square, 4 plus 3 is 19. Equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now, since h comma k are the coordinates of center, therefore given now h is equal to 2, k is equal to 2. Let this be equation 1. Now substituting, values of h is equal to 2, k is equal to 2 and r is equal to square root of 13 in equation 1, we get x minus 2 whole square, y minus 2 whole square is equal to square root of 30 whole square. Now this becomes x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 30. Now this becomes x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. Now 4 and 4 8, minus 5 is equal to 0. 13 minus 8. Hence, required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Answer.